Salman Khan's 2002 hit-and-run case verdict is finally out. The actor was charged with killing one person and injuring four by ramming his SUV into a bakery shop in suburban Bandra 13 years ago. The Mumbai court judge has convicted Salman for all the 8 major and minor charges that prove that he was guilty. Let us take a look at what the Twitteratis have to say about the verdict given by the session court. Guys, get a grip. He was found guilty. He can appeal against the verdict, but he can't be set free just because of who he is. Hashtag Salman verdict. Judge tells Salman he wasn't a human then and was still in the process of being human. While I respect the law of the land, at times feel victimized when I see terrorists who killed us haven't even been tried in 25 years. Sad he will pay price for his vile days long after he has matured. Happy Indian justice system doesn't spare topmost superstar. Seriously, how could you tell justice has been done? Were you there during the accident happened? If not, then just shut the f up. He saved many lives, but crime is a crime and should be punished. They must have considered Salman Bhai's good deeds, the charity he did, the school he opened for free, the help he did to poor. Salman case mein ye verdict aaya, hats off. Now we can expect such verdicts for rapists and corrupt politicians also. Tough justice karoge? The same old Salman Khan cried when the court decided. Did the victim's family not cry when you killed him in a drunk state? Justice is late but served finally. It wasn't just the crime but the intentional perjury to mislead the judicial system. Would have been more satisfied with the court's decision if instead of Salman it was some politician who has raped, killed dozens of times. An ordinary citizen, an ordinary trial, and an ordinary verdict. Feel sad for both the families of the victim and the convict. He made a mistake, yes, but he is totally different person today. Justice was served today, but it was 13 years too late. Will Salman Khan get rehabilitated by serving his sentence? This is communal. He has been convicted because he is Muslim. Expect this reaction in some time. So whom do you agree with? Is the judgment fair or unfair according to you? Do let us know. Until then, like this video, write in your comments and don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Hangover.